You need these hacks if you have a super tiny closet or you just want to make the very most of the closet space you have and streamline your morning routine, including getting dressed and getting ready. Using the method I'm going to show you here, I want you to take 20 minutes and assemble about 15 different outfits using the clothes you already own in your closet. Now, don't overthink this. Use things that are tried and true and that you know you love. In just 20 minutes, I was able to put together 15 outfits I love without buying anything new. And that's everything from exercise class to church to just everyday errands. It's really going to help you if you can take some simple photographs of the outfits you've assembled, and I will talk more about that a little bit later. Streamline your wardrobe even more by choosing what I call a seasonal uniform, like these two black pieces. Now you can switch this up with a cardigan or a flannel shirt, whatever you like, and add so much variety, but you can always come back to that core uniform. Well, we definitely need a break after this 20-minute project, so let me introduce you to today's sponsor, June's Journey. If you're looking for a change from just sitting down and watching TV, June's Journey is the perfect online game for you. This game has a 1920s feel and beautiful full-color graphics that are so fun and relaxing to play. You can download June's Journey for free on mobile devices, Android and iOS, and on desktop through Amazon and Facebook. Simply click on the QR code you see on your screen right now, or click on the link in the description box of this video. This free game is definitely fun and relaxing, but it also challenges your mind a bit. Remember where hidden objects are kept, and you will advance to the next level of play. You can also decorate your very own mansion on a private island. I'm planning to connect with friends and family on Facebook. I know my mother-in-law would love this game, as well as my nieces and nephews. Make sure to download June's Journey and tell me what you think of it in the comments box below. Break time's over and it's time to get back to the closet. Eliminating clothes that we don't need or want is going to be so much easier now that we've put together a capsule wardrobe. In just 20 minutes, I was able to identify 33 pieces that mix and match together that I know I look great in and that fit well. I'm showing you the exact pieces that I chose, but these are going to vary according to your lifestyle and according to the weather where you live. As you can see, this 33-piece wardrobe fits in even the smallest of closet spaces, and it also eliminates extra time that I would spend trying to figure out what to wear in the morning. Well, if you're new to Skip to My Life, a great big welcome. I am Shannon, small space, decluttering and organizing expert. Several years ago, after our kids were grown and flown, my husband and I decided to drastically downsize our home, and I'd love to take you along on our journey to live an upscale lifestyle on a downsized budget. I love clothes, and if you are right there with me, this process can be agonizing. But between you and me, most of us know the pieces that we look and feel great in. And oftentimes I find that I'm trying to talk myself into liking a piece that's either outdated or doesn't fit me well. If you'd like to put together a wardrobe like the one I'm showing you here, click on the link in the description box or in the pinned comment, and you will be redirected to my store where you can find these same items or something similar. If you're getting some great ideas today, don't forget to let me know by clicking that thumbs up button. As you can see, they all mix and match. My color scheme seems to have become black and white with pink and red, with the exception of this little neon orange, which I just really like. I'm including 2 items that can be changed up many different ways to be more dressy or more casual. And one is this long sleeve dress, and the second is the cardigan duster. Now I'm going to show you a little trick for hanging these even in a tiny closet. Use a second hanger to drape the end of the garment over, and now you cut it in half and it fits easily in a very small closet. I've narrowed my shoe choices down to 4 pairs: a loafer, a sporty pair, a more dressy pair, and a classic ballet flat. Since we've started our closet redo by identifying the pieces we truly love, this next step is going to be so much quicker and easier. These are all the things in my closet that are left. Now, some of these are seasonal and I need to put them back for warmer months, but a lot of them I'm just not wearing. The first thing I'm gonna start with is clothes that no longer fit me or are stained, torn, or otherwise just not in great shape, or maybe they're out of style. If you feel like you're gonna get stuck on details, this is a great project to invite a friend over to keep you accountable. In less than 20 minutes, I was able to make this whole pile of clothing that I know that I just wanna donate, and I'm gonna tell you a little realization that I just had. I'd say at least half of these clothes are ones I bought at a thrift store. At my stage in life now, I'm finding that I would rather buy something new, pay a little bit more, and know it's gonna last me and I'm gonna love it, versus taking a lot of time out of my day to go to the thrift store and pick through things. Now, that used to be therapy for me, but now I kind of think of it as a burden, because you know, when you go to a thrift store, you may strike gold and you may find nothing. And if that's a great use of your time and you love it, then do it. My daughter has a little business where she sells thrifted clothes and she's awesome at it. But for me now, I'm realizing at this stage in my life, my time is more valuable and I'd rather be doing other things for fun. So I'm probably gonna start really cutting back on thrift shopping for that reason. Now, I know there's a lot of controversy around this, but for me, I know that's the right decision. Tell me what your philosophy on all of this is. I easily and quickly filled 2 trash bags of clothes to donate and took them to the donation center that same day. But there were a lot of clothes left that I just wasn't sure about. So I decided to hang a sheet and place all of the remaining clothes behind them. If I end up wearing these clothes, I know I can add them to my regular wardrobe. But if I don't wear them after a period of time, I know that I can probably just go ahead and donate. Remember all the pictures of those outfits we put together? Well, now it's time to create an inspiration page and post it right in front of your little capsule wardrobe. This way you'll never be stumped of what to wear again. I love this quote from Brooke Harris. The weight of your clutter is heavier than the struggle of letting it go. Because the reason we're doing all of this is to do less laundry and to have more time and more money to spend on things that really bring us joy. Well, we have worked really hard and it's time for another break. This time I'm gonna take my dog, Bella, on a walk. She has learned to jump up on this ottoman and make it a little bit easier for me to get her leash on so I don't have to bend over to do that. If we were taking a walk together today, I would love to hear the story of your downsizing journey. So many of you have shared with me how difficult it has been to part with a lifetime full of memories to make a cleaner and less cluttered home. But let's keep going on this project of really simplifying and streamlining our morning routine and our getting ready routine. So we've got the clothing part down. Now let's get to all the things we need to do to get ready in the morning. My first step was to declutter and clean our vanity, and we had just returned from a long trip, so I had a lot of things to put away. Let me introduce you to this new mirror my mother-in-law just got for me, and I think it's one of the best things she's ever given me. This is a 10 times magnification mirror. It lights up, it works on batteries, but also plugs in, and it has been a game changer for me in getting my makeup on properly. Not only that, but it mounts to the mirror really securely with a suction cup. It's easy to remove to clean. So if you're interested in checking that out, I will leave a link below. Sometimes it can be hard to find where all these fun things are listed. So if you look at the title of this video, you will see ... more. Click on that ... more symbol and you will get a drop down which is called a description box. All the links I'm talking to you about are found there. Lately, I have been experimenting with fake eyelashes. Now, a couple of these tools that I'm showing you have made it a little bit easier for me to try. If you're over 40 like me and your eyelashes are getting a little bit sparse, you may want to try a couple of these tools, especially if you're dressing up. My goal was to create enough clutter-free space under my sink that I could store all my makeup and keep my bathroom counters clean in the morning. Between my husband and I, we seem to be collecting these rechargeable cords for things that we commonly use in our bathroom. So I used some of these Dollar Tree reusable pouches and was able to label them. So now I know exactly which cords go with which item. Not only is this going to save me a lot of time trying to figure out which cord goes where, but it's also going to clear that counter of all this clutter. We've eliminated counter clutter and very limited storage space by mounting these 2 shelves above our mirrors and then using these fabric covered boxes. Well, skin treatments, especially for the face, can be so expensive, but they can also cause so much bathroom clutter. So I decided to eliminate all but these 2 all-purpose creams, which I'm going to list in the link below. Every once in a while when I'm shopping at Dollar Tree, I will stumble upon a hidden gem in the skincare section. This hair repair serum is mostly made from coconut oil with some other natural ingredients, and I'm going to give it a try on the ends of my hair. I also found this cuticle oil, which is mostly vitamin E, and I know that it sells at other stores for much more. So if you've tried either of these, comment below and let me know what you thought of them. Well, our new system of decluttering our closet and bathroom is going to make getting ready in the morning so much quicker and so much easier. Don't forget to click on the link provided and try out June's Journey game. And if you're still here with me, my friend, it's because I want to tell you that today is not the end of your story, so do not give up.